Presentation, public speaking. Oh my god, it's not my cup of tea. I really can't do it. It's not possible for me. How many of you have got this kind of mentality about presentation? I think some people have this kind of mentality about presentation and some people are maybe not. Hello there, this is me Bijayadash and welcome back to my YouTube channel Bijay.net. And how are you all? I'm doing really great by the grace of Almighty God, and I hope you are doing great too by the grace of Almighty. So today is gonna be a very important presentation for your daily life course. Today in this presentation I'll talk about this very important topic called why do you need to be a great speaker. So you know that I've already made a video presentation about it, that why do you need to be a great speaker, not a talker. I've already made a video presentation about it in short, but today in this presentation I'll talk about this topic called why do you need to be a great public speaker in a brief way, and it's gonna be the video of why do you need to be a great public speaker part 2. So no more talking, let's start our mission. To boost your self-confidence. If you want to boost your self-confidence, you need to be a great public speaker. You know that self-confidence is a very important thing, is a very important part for our life. Not only is a very important part for a presentation, but also is a very important part for our life. So if you want to boost your self-confidence, you need to be a great public speaker. You know that if you think that, yeah, I can do it, and then you will be able to do that. But if you think that, no, it's not my cup of tea, it's not possible for me, I really can't do it, so then it will be super duper difficult to you to do that. So at first you have to think that, yes, I can do it, then you will be able to do it. So it's called self-confidence that is really important for our life. So if you want to boost your self-confidence, you need to be a great public speaker, because whenever you will go for give a presentation in front of a lot of people, a lot of audience, a gather of audience, then you will be able to boost your self-confidence. So here, if you want to boost your self-confidence, you need to be a great public speaker. Then, to overcome your fear. We all have some fearness in our mind whenever we want to give a presentation in front of a lot of people. So here, if you want to overcome your fear, so you need to be a great public speaker. It has another name called glossophobia. That means fear of public speaking. In our country, there are many people, there are many students in our country who have this kinds of phobia, that is glossophobia. It's a very common and it's a very simple phobia, that is glossophobia. That means fear of public speaking. There are some people we have in our country who are really afraid about presentation. Whenever they want to give any kinds of presentation, they feel really so much afraid and so much fear. So here, if you want to overcome your fear, you need to be a great public speaker, because one of the public speaker, only the public speaker can overcome their fearness over a public speaking. So you need to be a great public speaker if you want to overcome your fearness. Then, inspire others. If you want to be a great inspiration for everyone, you need to be a great public speaker, because you know that now I am making so much video presentation, and that's why my friends, my family also help me and inspire me a lot. And I also nowadays I'm also a great inspiration. I'm also a great inspiration for my friends, for my people, for my family, everybody, and they inspired by me. So here, if you want to be a great inspiration for your family, for your friends, for a whole country or a world, so you need to be a great public speaker to be a great inspiration for everyone. Then you'll be able to inspire others over your speech. So here you need to be a great public speaker if you want to inspire others. If you want to be a great inspiration of other people, so you need to be a great public speaker. Then, do you know the two important things that can make your life skills? Yes, you are right. That is, those are your leadership skills, and another one is communication skills. So here you can tell me that what is the benefit here. So if you want to improve your leadership skills, you need to be a great public speaker. Now you can also ask me a question, that is, what do you think about leadership skills, Vijaya? So here leadership skills means to lead, to have the ability to lead a lot of people, a gather of people, or 2 or 4 or 5 people like this. You have to have these kinds of skills that is called leadership skills. That means you will be able to lead a lot of people, a gather of people. So here, if you want to improve your leadership skills, you need to be a great public speaker, because whenever you will go for give in case of video presentation in front of a lot of audience, in front of a lot of a gather of people, then you have to lead all of them, and when you lead all of them, you will be able to improve your leadership skills. That is really important part for your life skills. So if you want to lead a lot of people, if you want to be a great leader, so you need to be a great public speaker, because only a public speaker can lead a lot of people in a great way. So if you want to improve your leadership skills, you need to be a great public speaker. Then communication skills, that is really important, that we in our daily life we need to communicate with our friends, with our relatives, with our father, with our mother, with our parents, with our siblings, with our cousins, everybody. And here this presentation skills, public speaking skills, can help you to improve your communication skills, because whenever you will go for give any kind of presentation in front of a lot of people, then you will be able to communicate a lot of people, because whenever you want to give a presentation, you have to communicate with all of your audience, and when you will communicate with all of your audience, then you will be able to be a great then you will be able to gain all these kinds of skills, that is called communication skills. That is really important. That means you are going to communicate with a lot of people, with a gathering of people. So here, to improve your leadership skills and to improve your communication skills will really help you to develop your life skills, because those are called your life skills. So if you want to develop your life skills, you need to be a great public speaker. So there another reason is, what do you think about presentation? Yeah, you are absolutely right. That is, everything is a presentation in our life. So here, presentation means you are going to present something. So in our life, we have got 2 kinds of presentation. One is formal presentation and another is informal presentation. For example, you are going to eat something, you are going to do something, you are going to play with your football, with your cousin, with your father, mother, everything is a presentation in your life, because you are going to present a thing that is really important, and it's called presentation. So if you want to present all of the steps of your life, you need to be a great public speaker, a great presenter. And according to me, I want to be a great presenter, so I have to make so much video presentation, because whenever I'm gonna make any kind of video presentation, it is like so much helpful for me, because whenever I want to give any kind of presentation in front of a lot of people, I will be able to overcome my glossophobia, and then I can boost my self-confidence, etc. That happened with me, is my experience, and I hope you will also start your journey with public speaking and making so much presentation. And I want to see your presentation in the next time on your YouTube channel. So guys, that's all for today. So I hope you will also start your journey with various types of presentation, because only the presentation can help you a lot to develop your life skills, because you are gonna present something over a presentation. So guys, that's all for today, and I'm really waiting for your presentation. So I hope you will also upload your presentation, or you will give me your presentation. I'm really excited about it. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you will like this presentation, and if you love this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up. comment, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and of course subscribe my YouTube channel Bijoya.net. And I also tell you that don't forget to press the bell icon for my next video. And stay safe, stay well, stay with Bijoya.net, and try to see my all video because that kinds of video will help you a lot, I think. And if you want to get my live presentation, or if you want to get my some another presentation, you can also follow me on my Facebook page Bijoya English Presentation, and you can also subscribe my this channel Bijoya.net. So guys, that's all for today. Now I have to go. So next time I'll come up with another interesting presentation. Till then, bye bye.